Hi everyone. Used engine oil is actually a valuable resource in today's modern world. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a burner chamber so we can use that resource in our daily life without harming the environment. When we talk about a burner chamber, the first thing that comes to mind is high heat. So when we pick the materials, we need to use metals that can handle high temperatures. What you're looking at here is a setup with a square metal frame that serves as the outer shell. Inside, there's a round chamber. This is the actual fuel combustion chamber. From the chamber, you can see two pipes. One brings the oil in, and the other supplies air. To keep things safe, fill the space between the burner chamber and the outer shell with sand. The sand helps hold the chamber in place and adds extra insulation. Weld a stand pointing upwards to hold the oil tank. Use a flexible tube to connect the oil tank to the burner chamber. I'm going to take it for a paint job. You can skip this part if you want. Go ahead and pour in the oil, then check out the product. At first, you can see that without air going into the burner chamber, the flame is weak and there's a lot of black smoke. Now I'm going to add air. You can see the flame turns blue and there's no smoke. So as you can see, a burner chamber with enough air helps the fuel burn completely, giving off a lot of heat while staying eco-friendly. Thanks for watching, everyone. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to support the channel.